$1,000 in that 39 Ford and that restoration, not counting insurance and licensing. But I have to get all this stuff off. And if he's the only inspector around, you have to pay his fee, or you don't get to play with your train. That's all.
Oh, I mean, this GSA. I went into the vehicle. When you said the vehicle, knew exactly what it was. It needs to date it and put the amount in. You need to know that. No one knows we did this. Well, David Burleson did it.
There's your wood pile. There's where you build your fire. Get all that old brass and stuff.
Brass pretty well rolls it down steep.
And that's an oil can.
Great grandfather went into it. And he keeps a very odd wear.
Hook it up trailer brakes. Of course, this was the last wire he tried. Ain't that the way it goes? Always helps if you suck in a little bit of exhaust while you're underneath something wiring it up in the rain. Yes, sir. We're on an adventure. I like it.